What's up, guys?
Hi.
Today, this is Adam here, and today I'm going to the Bundok Part 2. And this is the camera, and he's my dad. I'm opening my store so we could get some.
Wait. Focusing.
This is
And
this is the mountain. I'm right here already. Yeah, I used the motor.
and sila. Video mo sila.
I wonder if they're there. That mountain, it's so big. Tell me in the comments how big is that mountain. I don't think we're gonna reach the sun. Wow! Man at work. Ooh! That view. So, you guys wanna see this place? It's in the Philippines. Very cool. I got it. Oh, look at this view. And there's another one.
Video mo sila.
Ah, this is my friend. Ooh, doggy. Oh, I think that's a school. Is that a school? Do you think that's a school? Yeah, that's definitely not a school. Yeah, I'm going to pause. Wow. Oh, look at that cliff. It's a water dam.
Oh my god.
This has been like 15 minutes and we're still coming. Where'd they go? Huh? I'm so scared that I might fall off the. Whoa! Look at that. So cool. Oh look, these are like free houses. I don't know if they're like stores. Ooh, huts, houses, a chicken. Look. Oh my god, we're going up. Caution tape. Oh my god, look at that tree. We're going down. I don't know why, but we're going down. We're going down for no reason. Also, do you think that my voice is weird? Yeah, I just have voice issues. Yeah, I have different voices. Like, yeah, I literally have different voices. Besides, what's that gate? This is new. I've never been here. Oh, look. Oh, look. It's a great thing. Oh, look. That's a motor. Oh, look. Those are two people and one woman. Oh, look. Three dogs with a puppy. OMG, that's so cute. Whoa. It's like a sunrise. Mr. Balabak, this way. No, I'm actually coming here. Did you saw the biker? It's actually very hard to pedal. I feel bad. I feel bad for him, bro. Bro, there's a literal tower. Oh my god, there's another biker. I wonder if they enjoyed the ride in here. They shouldn't get motors or some thingies or a chicken, another chicken. Bruh, I'm so scared.
Dito na yan, yung lupa namin. Dito na yan, yung lupa namin. Ang dami na nakatira. Dito? Ito Isang ano. Garanda.
Hi, Andres. Yeah, Andres is part of the Marines. If I could find snow, then I'll put it in the bag and put a little baby penguin in it. What is that? That's a joke. Not actually real. It's not real. It's just a joke. Hey, Andres, meet my fans.
My pants.
Fans. Come, blessing. Okay, I bless you. Wow.
Stop mo na yung video mo. Gulong mo.
The right part of the mountain, the end, you see that? It looks like legs. I see it. Oh wait, I see it now. And you see that? That's the head. Oh no! Is that the island from Moana? Mm-mm. What if we could use other dinosaurs? Like jeeps. Oh, that's actually a mouse. Yes. What now? Wait, I got it. Bro, there's already a character that's a great white shark. And it's the
Hey, Adam.
Message ko kasi.
Ano mo? Read mo yung ano? What mountain? Welcome mo sila. Sa Mount.
Hey, Andres. Look! And my socks
Ano?
Des,
Adam.
keeps on falling.
Adam.
Des, doon ka sa ano.
Ano? Read mo yan, oh.
Welcome.
Des, Des.
Welcome
Hey.
to Mount Paragan. Parang tabo tayo sa likod. Hey, come here. Don't fall in the cliff, okay? Okay, stick. Or...
Des. Des. Smile ka na lang.
No, I'm just picturing that's the city.
It's not big. It's video.
Looks so nice, right?
Yeah, that's the city.
Yung pala ay growth.
What if we didn't use tanks and buggies? Durians.
Durian.
That looks
Let's
like
Ano yan?
langka.
they even have armor. And they're disgusting. They smell like my dog.
So,
I
ano,
want.
make a wish.
I want.
There's a wishing well, no?
Oh, I want to
Careful,
jump
huh?
in that.
Yoy, 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 Adam.
Oh,
Careful.
I bet you fall off the cliff.
Look out, there's a viewing deck here.
Who thought of this? Why is the door at the back instead of the front? There's water.
Let's, look oh. Ganda.
Andres, there's actual water in here.
Doon, doon.
Doon kayo, doon, dali. Picture kayo doon, no? Ganda ron, no?
Smells like shit. Why does it smell like shit?
I don't know.
It smells like shit for no reason. I think I just shitted my pants.
Takot kayo. Sige na, move kayo doon.
Talang kami, mga ganyang edad nyo. Naliligo na kami ng ilog. Nalulunod na kami
Oy!
mag-isa.
Dali, picture kayo. Oy! Picture kayo ni Adam doon.
I'm actually not. I smell like shit for no. Bro, I smell like shit for no reason.
Look at there. Andes. Andes, take po kami picture. Both of us, ha?
What?
Ang ganda, no?
Instead throw the phone out.
Wait.
Ano, actually dip pandesal in coffee.
Na pinapatambay sa kwarto, naguhul ko.
I used to drink coffee when
Ito,
I
hindi
was a
marunong.
little child. I don't know
Oh.
why.
Nguhul ko, pero hindi siya pinapatulan ng mga bata.
Like this?
Hmm.
Oh, I think it was because I
Parang saling ket-ket lang.
wow.
Buti nga yan. Marunong mag-basketball. Ito, hindi.
What's the drink? Why?
Bike marunong rin yan.
Oo.
Ito,
Ito,
hindi.
yan, ah. Sa ano. C6.
What's the coffee?
Habay hamin.
Duwag to, duwag.
I want to challenge you in a race later.
Sundin nga kita minsan, Adam. Mag-ano tayo, bike.
Hindi nga marunong yan. Tatakot eh. Bili ko na lang daw siya. Yung 4 wheels. Amo Adam, si Andres ang marunong mag-basketball oh.
Andes, naturuan ko mag-dribble to eh. Ano, bonding pa
How
rin.
about a race?
Yung mga takbo ng bata ngayon, kakaiba. Hindi diretso, hindi yung malalaking hakbang.
Hindi pa takbo.
Oo,
I challenge
ayaw mo yung
Andres
pagka
in a
yung mga
race.
bata na ano.
What? Okay, I'm talking about mechs. With legs. Let's already have legs.
I want more pandesal to dip into your noodles.
No, I'm good. I'm good. So, Adam, what if we don't use tanks? What if you use mechs? What if you can only raise one eyebrow? I'm trying to.
Dahil alam.
Yes, it's just like me. Hey, look at
Mayor. You like your dad.
Lalo ng bata yan, pre.
Adam,
Putang na, hanggang dito yan niya dati.
for the forehead dudes.
That's what you called mayor.
Actually, I want to be a mayor. The gods make me raise an
Ano ka,
eyebrow.
Andres, oh. He's training.
That's down my house. That's downstairs. I actually like that house. It's actually very cool.
Sabi ko mag-basketball siya eh. Ang sagot sa akin mas gusto ko soccer.
What if we use mechs instead? What if we use mechs instead of like the normal? What if we just
Pra-practice ko na mag-dribble. Okay, again.
Taba ni Andres eh. Mabigat tuloy yung lundag eh.
Puno pa dyan. Ayan, sa ganun lolo, oh. Naka-tent lang sila. Oh. Ayan.
Wait lang pre.
Ato, Adam.
Tignan natin yung laman.
Sorry, looks like I'm building a phone. Look at the phone. making the flow. Imagine we're giant people. We're giant people that make the earth. And then we like, we make the balls. And we just sprinkle some salt on the planet so it can make snow. And we put some
Itong ganito.
in the water to make sand.
Gantong-ganto lang din yung inarkila namin sa Tagaytay.
Ah,
Okay, let's picture with
kay Daddy, no? Kayo kay... Les, ka kay Uncle. Picture kayo, dun.
Kunyari nag-climb up ako dito. Imagine I just climb up here and then I say,
Hello kayo kay... Ano?
Let's wait, ha? Hello, guys. Look at this place.
Today we are next to a giant lake.
Picture ka dyan.
Bye-bye!
Oo.